I thought why not to kind of take a look at what the action so far has been and which is the next commodity where we actually will see action coming through. So, just to lay the backdrop for this, it's basically been a patchy monsoon season. I mean, the monsoon season runs from the 1st of June till the end of September. So we've got 1 month left. And so far, it's not been all that great. And that's basically leading to food prices going up. All India deficit as of the 29th of August stands at 9%. Over 10%, the government has the option to declare it as a drought. It's there, it's up to them, but over 10% qualifies to be declared as a drought. States which are worst affected: Kerala, Karnataka, Bihar. We had the last July CPI number, which of course, as we all know, shot up to 7.2% from under 5%. But August has also, actually August has been particularly bad. August rainfall was sharply below what the average for the month actually is. And here, some of the, rice, wheat growing states have been very badly hit. MP, for example, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, of course, continues to fare very poorly. August CPI, when we get the data, is also expected to be over 7%, little over 7% or so. And the government's been acting, right? For example, just earlier this week, the government cut LPG prices by 20%. And some estimates say that will have about a 20 to 25 basis point impact on inflation. But food inflation is actually where bulk of the problem really lies, because if you take a look at the household consumption, about 17% of household consumption or household spending goes towards cereals. So you just take a look at the consumer food price index. It's made up of 10 items like cereals, which is about, as I said, 17% of what households spend on. Meat, fish, eggs, milk, oil, fruits, vegetables. Across the board, actually, inflation has been rising. Just to give you some numbers, in the case of rice, rice inflation is running at about 12%. This is the average annual inflation. Average annual wheat inflation is almost at a 10-year high. And in the case of pulses, it's at the highest since 2021. 2020 was a very big year for pulses, but we're at 2021 levels there as well. Government action, we've seen, lots of it, right? In the case of rice, we've been talking about the duty on parboiled rice exports. In the case of wheat, the government has been regulating what is available in the open market. They've been kind of bringing the quantities lower. In the case of pulses, they've been increasing supply in the open market. They've changed procurement ceilings, etc. Onions, we've kind of seen. Tomatoes, we've seen the government kind of stepping in and providing some of this stuff at subsidized rates. Many are asking, could sugar be next, right? And sugar is there are sugar companies listed, and many have been asking the question at least, perhaps could sugar be next? Actually, there were some media reports on the 24th of August saying exactly that government will ban sugar exports. The government came out and said, well, nothing, we're not issued anything, so it's unlikely. But many are saying, well, if they can do something for rice, what's the big deal with sugar? So perhaps it's a matter of, it'll happen. We'll have to see, we'll have to wait and see. But sugar is a highly regulated commodity with, of course, direct implications for listed stocks, etc. as well. All of this ties in, of course, with election season, which is upon us, right? State elections, November and December, there are 5 states which go to poll: Chhattisgarh, MP, Mizoram, Rajasthan, and Telangana. This is the semi-final before the big general elections of 2024.